How to create a QR code with Canva for your business. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how you can go ahead and create a QR code and put it on a business card for your business. So the first thing you want to do is sign up to Canva. If you haven't signed up to Canva, I'd suggest clicking sign up. I'm going to show you how to sign up real quick. But yeah, it is canva.com. So go search that one up and then click sign up. And I'm going to use a temp email for this, but if you have your real email, I would suggest using that. So I'm just going to wait for the email to pop up. So I'm going to copy that and plug that in, and I'm going to get a code. So then you'll get a code from Canva, and you just want to put this in canva.com, enter code. So once you're signed in, you will get this user interface. Canva is a great place where you can create a lot of social media posts, graphic designs, and you can create logos. Instagram posts, videos, presentation, and whiteboards and docs. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code. So the first thing you want to do is go create design. You can either click poster or do your own resolution, but I'm just going to click poster. And this is what's going to pop up. And now you want to create a QR code. So sometimes QR code comes up here, but if it's not here, I suggest you go to apps and you want to find QR code. So popular QR code, and you want to click use. I don't have a website, but for your business, you'd want to put your URL in here. And once you do that, but I'm just going to test it out, and I'm just going to write google.com and generate QR code. Now once you generate your code, you can either make it bigger, I'm pretty sure, yeah, and you can even change the color. You can change it to orange, you can change it to all these different colors. But for the QR code to work the best, I suggest using white. So let's just go plain and simple with that. And now you are done creating your QR code. So now you can download this. So I'm just going to download this to my desktop. And there you have it. We have our own QR code for our business. Now I'm going to show you how you can design a QR code poster or a business card. So let's hop into that. Now you want to go back to the home page and search up poster. And you just want to search poster. And there is a lot of posters here, but for an example, I'm going to show you like this. Say this is your website about me and you just wanted to use it. Use this template. Oh, actually, sorry, I can't use this one. This one's a pro version. You want to make sure you select a free version. So I'm going to find a free version right now. I'm pretty sure you can filter. I don't know where, but I can't. Say this is it, like you're using this one. You want to go customize template. And you can change this, you can create it to your own design, and you can put your QR code in here, but we don't need to make it again. All you got to do is go to your uploads, and this is it. So you just want to click that, and then it should come in. Once that's in, you can design it. Once that's in, you can put it where you need to put it. Say if you want to put that up, and you want to put your QR code there. And you can muck around until you like the design, and once you figure out how you want it, you can go to share and download. And now you have downloaded it, but this is a paid version, so you just want to make sure, like I said, I thought this was a free version, but it's not. But you just want to make sure it's a free version. You want to muck around with that. And now I'm going to show you how to make a QR code business card. So you want to go back to home. Once you're back to home, you want to search up business card. And now you want to find one perfect for you to design and click one. So I'm just going to go with this simple one right here. And I click customize this template. And here you go, here's one. And for example, if this was your website, but it was google.com, so I'm going to write that and muck around with it. The best search engine and now you want to delete that and you want to go back to uploads and then you want to put your QR code, and there we have it. You have your own business card. Let's change this to yellow, red, let's make it the Google color code. Pretty sure it's something like this. I can't remember, but yeah, you just muck around, design it how you want to design it, so make it similar to your business. And once you have done that, you want to click download and click download again. And there we have it. We have our own business card with our QR code. Now I'm going to go find another business card, but the one that is designed to hand out, not this square one. Now you want to select business. Can't spell business. This one here. Yeah, this one will be good. So now you want to find one that is a good match for your business. I'm going to go with a free version. So I'm going to go with this one. Use this one. Harry. I'm going to write Google Manager. And you just want to muck around with that. And once you have done that, and this would be the back. So you just want to go google.com. And you want to make a logo and put whatever you want to put in there. And for this, I'm going to move that back. I'm going to move that there. Move this up a bit. Like that. And then I'm going to put my QR code. So I'm going to go uploads and then put it there. And there we have it. You want to move that around until it looks nice. And there you have it. We have created a business card with a free QR code that we designed with Canva. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have, please like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you. Bye.